Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a VPN for secure smart home access, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by choosing a reliable VPN provider that suits your needs. Visit the official website of the VPN provider. Sign up for an account by providing your email and creating a password. Download the VPN application compatible with your device. Install the application following the on-screen instructions. Open the VPN app once the installation is complete. Log in using the credentials you created during sign-up. Select a server location that offers good speed and privacy. Connect to the selected server by clicking the Connect button. Ensure the VPN connection is established by checking for a status indicator. Now, access your smart home devices app or web portal. Log into your smart home control panel using your credentials. Verify that the VPN is still active for secure access. You may need to configure settings for specific smart home devices. Follow any additional setup instructions provided by your smart home manufacturer. Test the remote access to your smart home devices to confirm functionality. Adjust any settings within the VPN app to optimize your connection. Regularly update your VPN application for continued security. Consider reviewing your VPN's privacy policy for data handling practices. Ensure you're aware of how to disconnect the VPN when not in use. You can reconnect the VPN whenever you need secure access to your smart home devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.